Welcome to Yo-Yo Kids Tube. Let's unlock your learning superpowers.
Hello kids. Let's learn the animal sounds and names.
Cow. This is a cow. The cow gives us milk to drink. Buffalo. This is a buffalo. Buffaloes also give us milk. Goat. This is a goat. The goat gives us milk and is very playful. Sheep. This is a sheep. Sheep give us wool to make warm clothes. Horse. This is a horse. Horses run very fast and help us travel. Donkey. This is a donkey. Donkeys carry heavy loads on their back. Camel. This is a camel. The camel is called the ship of the desert. Dog. This is a dog. Dogs guard the farm and are friendly pets. Cat. This is a cat. Cats catch mice and love to play. Hen. This is a hen. The hen gives us eggs. Rooster. This is a rooster. The rooster crows early in the morning. Duck. This is a duck. Ducks swim in water and give us eggs. Turkey. This is a turkey. Turkeys live on farms and have big tails. Goose. This is a goose. Geese are farm birds and can swim well. Rabbit. This is a rabbit. Rabbits are soft and eat carrots. Pig. This is a pig. Pigs live on farms and love mud. Pigeon. This is a pigeon. Pigeons live near farms and can fly fast. Peacock. This is a peacock. The peacock has beautiful feathers. Parrot. This is a parrot. Parrots can talk and love fruits. Ox. This is an ox. Oxen help farmers plow the fields.
Owl. This is an owl. Owls can see very well at night. They stay awake when others sleep. Snake. This is a snake. Snakes slither on the ground. Some snakes live in forests, deserts, and even water.